Okay, class 4, section C. We are going to do the difference between main verb and the helping verb. So I have already mentioned with you the difference main verb and the helping verb. So firstly, I would like to stand up and explain about the main verb. In this sentence, I am a girl. So I is
subject.
am
M is a main verb.
main verb and girl
Girl is object.
object. Okay, if I say you to make it into helping verb, use in this sentence helping verb. So what you will do?
I am cooking rice.
I am cooking rice. So in this way, am would be changed into helping verb. So you stand up. Give me another example. Ali reads a book.
Yes.
So which is the main verb?
I is subject.
Hmm.
Read is main verb.
Hmm.
Cook is object.
Very good. Okay, you stand up and tell me. Ali is going to school. So Ali is going to school. So which is the main verb in this sentence?
Goes is the main verb.
Ali is going to school.
Ali is going to school.
Yes. So going is
The main verb.
main verb, and which is the helping verb?
Helping verb is.
Is very good. Sit down. You stand up. Ali is climbing a wall. So which one is the main verb in this sentence? Climbing. And helping verb? In this sentence,
Climb.
Ali is climbing a wall.
Wall.
So in this sentence, climbing is the
Object.
no. Climbing is you stand up. Yes. Climbing is the
Main verb.
main verb, and which is the helping verb? Is the helping verb, and subject is very good, and object is very good. Excellent. Sit down and you stand up. What's your name? Zainab. Zainab, tell me, I am cooking rice. Okay? In this sentence, which is the helping verb? Am, very good. And rice is object, and I is subject, and cooking is very good. Excellent. Sit down. And you stand up. Ali goes to school. In this sentence, which is the main verb? Goes. And object? Very good. And Ali?
Subject.
Subject. Very good. Yes, you stand up. Tell me. I am a girl. I am a girl. In this sentence, girl is
Girl is object.
object, and am is
M is subject.
am.
M is verb.
Main verb or helping verb?
Help. Main verb.
Main verb. Why isn't helping verb?
Helping verb. I am cooking rice.
In this sentence, am is a
M is a verb.
helping verb, and cooking is the
Cooking is the object.
cooking is the main verb.
Main verb.
Again, can you explain about this sentence? I am a girl. In this sentence, am is the
Main verb.
main verb.